Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to receive money with Wise. To receive money with Wise, you would need your IBAN or account bank info, and here's how to get that. First thing first, open the Wise app or go to the website and log in to your account. Now from the main menu, select Manage Your Account and click on Account Details. You'll see the option View and Share Your Account Details to get paid. Now choose Euro or any other currency balance. Each currency balance has its own account details. For Euro balance, Wise will display IBAN, SWIFT, and for other currencies, it will display account number, sort code for UK, routing number for US, and transit or institution number for Canada. Now you can copy the IBAN and SWIFT, BIC info, or click Share Details to send them directly. Provide these details to anyone sending you money. So this is the best way to receive money on Wise. And that's it. You have now your IBAN and SWIFT codes ready to receive international payments into your Wise account. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.